Oh, break time?
No. Yeah, wait.
You know, you gotta tap out. No, wait.
You gonna squeeze me again?
Come on, Aaliyah. You took him down earlier. Now we're on camera. Where's it at? That doesn't look very kind.
Don't pull my hair.
Don't knock me off of here. Uh-oh, Junior. Oh, watch your guys' head. No pinching, no biting, no grabbing, no wedgies, no hair pulling. But watch.
Okay.
Tap it.
Why'd you do that for?
Who just kicked your butt, Junior? 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 Who just kicked your butt?
Game, though. I didn't rubber though.
Who just kicked your butt, babe?
I should wrestle again.
Did your sister kick your butt? Junior? Junior?
You was trying to keep me off. My legs around
Junior?
it. My legs are the strongest.
Junior? Did your sister kick your butt? Junior?
That was good.
That's it. I'm YouTubing this stuff.
I got. That's ugly. I got a rug burn. It's ugly. Not that bad, but my foot, it's ugly. Oh.
Oh,
I
yeah?
got a crap in my knee.